it's me, Kenya, and today I'm gonna leave. Bye-bye. Hello, it's me, Russian. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody, it's me, Holly. Today, my chickens are getting scared today. They just keep on running away from me. I just give them food every single day, but nothing. Nothing. Oh, look at this tree. Whoa, what? Oh my god, it fell. Sporty! What the dead chicken? Wait, is that chicken dead? Oh my god, it's a little head move! The natural habitat. They're not moving. Move! Ah, look. Okay. I'm gonna doing this. I'm gonna let them be. Oh, I'm just making a nature video. Oh, poor Ruby is drinking my blood I made. I'm not gonna put that in a video because I ran out of water for bugs. But I guess that's it because there's not really that much nature in my house. So bye. Nah, it won't pause.